So, I just want to let y'all know that we're on a tornado watch in West Virginia. And, if y'all living somewhere in West Virginia, you all need to get into your safest place in the bathrooms, in your bedroom, kind of like a bedroom closet. And you had to take shelters. But I've been on a watch for black clouds for the tornado, because I've been on a watch out for. And I hadn't seen any at the back of the backyard, including the front, but I think me and my mother are definitely okay. But tornadoes can definitely destroy anything in its path. It'll destroy houses, pick up vehicles and throw them, and rip trees out of the ground and throw them around everywhere. If you had a vehicle, do not park underneath a tree. If you had a garage, park it in the garage. And whenever you see a tornado, don't fight it. You can't run. It will pick you up. Just get to a safer shelter, like in a bathroom or a closet. Or even if you have to get into the bathtub where it's a lot safe, it'll definitely protect you. You gotta have something to protect you, kind of like a bed mattress. But I've been on a watch out for any tornadoes around in this area. So keep your eyes out for any tornadoes. It's been about a lot of years since when I was 10 years old. We almost thought we had a horrible storm out here in West Virginia, but luckily it passed us during that night. But now we got tornadoes. So I want y'all to stay safe. I'll let y'all know by probably tomorrow. I want you to always like and subscribe and pray to your family to be safe, including for me, including for my mother as well. Stay safe and always keep praying. Always pray if you see a tornado. Take shelter. All of you need to stay safe. Anyways, I'll let y'all know on the update by tomorrow. I love you guys. Stay safe and keep praying.